Namaste students, myself JV and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class AMED first semester. We will discuss the topic educational thoughts of Upanishads. Vedic Tradic approach to seek spiritual knowledge. According to Upanishad, eventually the seeker should advance towards spiritual enlightenment. Vedic knowledge as an inverted ट्री। वैदिक नॉलेज एक इन्वर्टेड ट्रीज के समान होती है, जैसे आप इसमें देख सकते हैं ब्राह्मण, गॉड, नॉन डुअल रियलिटी एंड फोर वेद्स। आपके फोर वेद यहाँ शो हो रहे हैं। नेक्स्ट वैदिक लिटरेचर्स। ओके, नेक्स्ट वैदिक लिटरेचर Samista, Brahmana and Aryanas form the Vedas, and Vedas are classified as Rig, Yaju, Sam and Atharva. Maharishi Vyasa classified them, hence Ved Vyasa. महर्षि वेद व्यास ने और उसके बाद वेद व्यास ने वेद को क्लासिफाई किया। देयर आर लार्ज नंबर ऑफ उपनिषद्स अकॉर्डिंग 108, 32 and 10 principles of Upanishads. 10 Upanishads are considered as major ones: Rigveda, Atharvaveda, Shukla, Ajurveda, ईश्वर एंड ब्रह्मास्मुका, कृष्णा, यजुर्वेदा, सामवेदा एंड अथर्ववेदा. ओके, उपनिषद्स refers to the spiritual knowledge obtained by disciples sitting near the realized guru that destroy the inorganisms of disciples. Upanishads are the Vedanta. Okay, Upanishads are essentially in the form of stories and dialogues. उपनिषद में स्टोरी और डायलॉग्स को कंबाइंड किया गया है, सच एज दोज ऑफ यामा, नचिकेता, वरुणा, विग्रु, etc. Upanishads are the super conscious experiences of Atman by several rishis, and they form the foundation of सनातन धर्म. ओके, सनातन धर्म का उपनिषद एक फाउंडेशन होता है. द अदर वर्ड्स आर ब्रह्मा, श्रुतास एंड भगवद गीता. उपनिषद्स deals with the fundamental questions about existence, life, creations, death, etc. Upanishads deal with nature of soul, universe, and God and their relationships. The various systems of philosophy, namely Advaita, Visishta, Advaita, and Devata, refers to Upanishads as their source materials. What is that by knowing which everything in this universe will be known, commanded by whom does the first vital breath force move forwards? When the person passes away, there is this doubt. Some hold that the person exists and some that the person does not. This I should like to know, instructed by you. Okay? Please instruct me about Brahman. इस वास्ते उपनिषद्स small in size, that is 18 verbs versus mystical experiences of obliquous Atman and Karma Yoga. Kena Upanishads subjectives and objectives approaches to proof of Atman as ultimately reality. Next, Katha Upanishads dialogues of Yama Nachiketa, secrets, fire, and yagna, role of yoga and disciplines. Parsana Upanishads string the questions to Rishi Pallada, why Sukesi, Gargya, etc. Systematic presentation through questions and answers. Who is the Purusha with 16 classes? Mundaka Upanishads refers to the visions and experience of Samnyasis, Para and Apara Vidya, cosmology, karma and Janma Marga. Mandukya Upanishads, four level of consciousness, Om, its various aspects. Taittiriya Upanishads, ethics, learning and advice at the end of studies, cases of Brahmana, levels and scales of happiness, dialogues of Varuna and Vigru about Brahmana. Okay, next, Athreya Upanishads, creations of word through Viraj, philosophy of three words, nature of Atman. Chandogya Upanishads, Yagna and Upasana, Ravikya, Satya Kamama, Jabala, Usasti, thus spake Uddalaka Aruni. Dharanahika Upanishads, Karma, creations of universe and four warrants, Gargi, Yajanana, Valkaya, Valaki, Ajatasaktashu, Brahmana as Atharman. Thus spake Agna Valkya. Essence of the Upanishads teaching: Atman is the Anthramanam, divine powers, as the ultimate source of all the distinct aspects of external natures as well as inner faculties of humans and other beings. Atman is to be realized from direct personal knowledge through the practice of disciplines, ostrich of very orders and exacting natures. The grace and guidance of realized Guru is required. The human life is completely fulfilled with the realization of Atmans. Thank you.